Hello again. Here we will use the same data frames as the previous videos, and we will do a left join where is null and is nothing more than just selecting the rows from left data frame that don't have a match in the right data frame. For right join where is null is exactly the reverse thing. From right data frame we will select the ones that don't have a match in the left data frame. And we can do this with join and merge instance methods. Like in the previous videos, we are importing pandas here, and here we are loading the salary and the bonus. Here we are making the column ID as an index in salary and bonus, and after this we will do our code. So let's start by implementation, that is using the join instance method, and we declare the result that is equals to salary.join. We provide bonus ID index. We say that it will join on ID. The column of salary that is called ID will join with the index of bonus ID index. We say that L suffix is equals to underscore L and R suffix is equals to underscore R. After this we need to call the method query, and we pass the string name underscore R dot is null. We are selecting the rows that have the name underscore R equals to not a number. Okay, then we print the result here, and let's run this, and we got this result where we have here Octavia, that is the only row of salary that don't have a bonus. Let's do for right join. We just need to copy these and paste here, and the difference is we just need to say here that the how parameter is equals to right. Also, instead of checking if the name underscore R is null, we will check if the name underscore L is null. So we change here and we run, and now we got our result where we have here chaseIdi and is the only row of bonus that don't have a salary. Let's move on for the next exercise, that is doing the same thing using the merge instance method. We just need to declare the result that is equals to salary.merge. We provide the bonus ID index. Also we say that the how parameter is equals to left. We say that the left on is equals to ID and right underscore on is equals to underscore ID. So the ID is the column of salary and the underscore ID is the index of bonus ID index. And now we will do a different thing, that is adding a new parameter that is called indicator, and we say that it is equals to I. Let's run this and see what this parameter indicator does. And we got this result. We have a new column that is called I, and the values of this column are both, and left underscore only, and both again. So this means that in this case where we have left underscore only, we just add values on salary, not in bonus. Okay, so we have here not a numbers. Where we have both, it means that we add values in both data frames, salary and bonus, so we don't have not a numbers. We can take advantage of this in the query method. We just need to say that I is equals to, and in this case we need to insert an inner string, left underscore only. Okay, so it will select the rows that have left underscore only in the column I. If we run this, we get what we expected, and this will even work if we use a outer join. Okay, let me show what outer join does. And the outer join will combine all the rows from salary with all the rows from bonus ID index. Okay, the ones that don't have a match will end up with not a numbers in the other side. Okay, and notice here we have here the left underscore only, and in this case we have here right underscore only. As you can imagine, to do the right join, we just need to go here, copy and paste right underscore only, uncomment this part, run this again, and we got this result where we have here chastity, that is the only row in bonus that don't have a match in salary. This is the end. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.